Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's lesson, I think we are lesson 11, and to be honest, this is one of the most important lesson because when I was starting Forex trading, I never knew that what I'm about to tell you, it really even like holded water, like the way you know that with this information that I'm about to share with you, it is important. So lesson 11. So today is on a Sunday, 27th of November. And if you're not aware, if you're watching me and you're not aware of what is happening, we are almost ending the month. And ending every month in Forex trading is very, very important. If you didn't know, the monthly candle always makes sense when the few days remaining, like 4 days remaining for that candle to really form and close. So it is 27th on Sunday. Tomorrow it will be 28th. And guess what? We will be having a monthly candle, like November monthly candle will finally form, finally print, finally tell us direction. Like it's a lot will be going on in the next 3 days. So Monday is 28th, Tuesday is 29th, and Wednesday is date 30th. So what I can tell you from this and my lesson today is knowing when the month is closing, because it's very, very important. Let me challenge you. Any pair that you're about to trade tomorrow is on a Monday. Do you know that those 3 days can change everything? Like the market can just flip for us to get either an indecision candle. The market can flip any direction for us to get a spinning top, that is a rejection in the market. And the market can continue on an upward market, like an upward trend or a downward trend for us to get a momentum candlestick. And we have already learned here that anytime candlestick shows momentum, it's either a bullish engulf, bearish engulf, or marubozu. And this has a very, very high impact. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm saying in lesson 11, you have to be very aware of your monthly candle, and you have to be aware in advance. Like for me, I've already planned my trades, and I've already known anything can happen in the next 3 days for the monthly candle to form otherwise. So what do you do in times like this? What do you do when either a month is new or it's about to close? Be very careful in the trade. Be very, very careful, guys. Tomorrow is a Monday, and I know many people want to make money, but actually be very, very careful, because once that monthly candle closes, it is evident that it has given us a direction for a whole new month. You always hear me telling you, oh, weekly candle is good, weekly candle is good. And the reason why I love weekly candle is because every week I have new information about the market. But now we are almost getting a monthly candle that will shape the whole of December. Like December will know if it's GBP USD. Guys, GBP USD has a possible double bottom. And if the way I'm seeing on monthly we can have WBB, you can imagine getting WBB with monthly. WBB, for those who don't know, is weight box break. So go on monthly on GBP USD. Mark your chart. The first bottom was happened in 1985, and then the next bottom just happened the other month. And then see, we have a green candle, a head put a box, and I'm not lying, this month we might have WBB on GBPUSD, and that's big volume. GBPUSD will be buying long term and will not now be afraid like, oh, it was a retracement. No, if that closes like that, if we get a WBB on GBPUSD, those who think GBPUSD will sell, I cannot say it won't sell, but once Wednesday comes and I get WBB, that's a full confirmation, guys. So what I'm trying to tell you on lesson 11, you need to understand everything in your chart. I've been waiting on NSD/USD double bottom on monthly to finally give me WBB, and I'm not lying, guys. Go and check your chart. NSD/USD might give us WBB, and that is a confirmed double bottom. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you on lesson 11, pay attention when monthly candle is about to close. Don't be in a rush. Like, give yourself in these 3 days. If you're not sure with your market, don't trade. Why? Because monthly, sometimes they close low or they close very high. So many people are trapped in between. Don't allow yourself to be trapped in between. So what you get out of this video is that we might have a long-term buy on GBP/USD and a long-term buy on NSD/USD. And I remember when I did the previous analysis and I told you guys that euro was to be our euro. I think it is the currency that is doing so badly. And for me, I'm avoiding euro at all costs. Even if I'm trading it, I'm trading it on the edge. I don't have that much confidence, because when the currency is weak, you don't know what might happen. So if you guys, you're in big time on euro pairs, slow down. Euro is a bit weak. And for the strength, I have seen CHF, Swiss franc is a bit stronger, and pound is strong. So pound is strong, CHF is strong, NSD is strong. But for euro, I think it is weak from the structure that has been forming and the way euro USD is behaving. Yeah, so guys, in this like a short lesson, always guys, understand that monthly will shape 30 good days. Like, you guys, you don't understand my strategy. The one that I came up with, BWA strategy, had confirmed a buy on GBP/USD. And looking back, if I took that trade beginning of the month and I holded that trade, I would have made 1,000 plus pips. This is big. Monthly can tell you, get in, relax, hold for 1 month. So today, if you didn't know that the monthly candle will close on Wednesday, I'm here to tell you, pay attention. Don't be quick to jump in your trades. Don't be quick to do so many, don't put so many trades. Don't over risk. This is the week that many people blow account. These are the weeks that many people get trapped. These are week that you don't see anything happening. Why? Because there's a way they have decided they want to close the week. So guys, as you watch this video, I can assure you that take it slow. Let that candle close. Even you can take a break Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Allow monthly candle to close. Don't do anything. Allow it to close. Once the candle closes, now you can go in. And we have 2 pairs that will give us long term. GBP/USD is a long-term buy if it closes with WBB, and NSD/USD is a long-term buy because they both will be having a double bottom. And what a wonderful thing to get double bottom with monthly chart. I don't mean like you go in immediately buying, because it is a double bottom. Always go to lower time frame looking for entries, but having an understanding that you have a double bottom on higher time frame, it gives you even an upper or an advantage. So with that being said, lesson 11 is all about knowing when the monthly candle closes, and paying attention and knowing what not to do and what to do. So for you guys who are not sure, if you're not sure about tomorrow, don't trade. Wednesday, don't trade. Thursday, now come in with an idea of how monthly candle closed, and then maybe you can rest this week. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.